Sanna and me, we have each a cupboard in the saloon. Sanna's filling up her with pearls and stuff, and I'm gonna fill it up with cheese doodles. Hello, I'm Johan.
I'm Sanna. And this is Zosu.
And we changed this
To this. Because I want this.
Me too.
Uh-oh, that room was too big, so we decided to go a bit smaller.
So we find this to start with. So follow us when we learn to sail and make the boat ready for departure in a few months. Hello.
Hello.
Just trying out new oars. Perfect.
And also no. He wants to come aboard. Hello, Ozzy. Is they okay? Are they okay? Is
okay. And I think we just take that inside.
okay. Ozzy.
Hello, Ozzy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It was fine oars. Paddles, oars, I don't know the name. But they were good. Oh my god, it's a mess on the boat. Hello! Ozzy's coming to say hello to you. Aww. He's happy to see you. There are big boats going into the water here. You can see they have opened the bridge over there. And Johan is waiting for his sister over there, far away. She is going to join Johan in the boat. She lives over there and she's walking to the boat. Come.
Nope. Kanske.
Jag är inte rädd för att åka roddbåt. Okej, jag ska aldrig kanota, jag ska aldrig göra någonting, jag ska få fastland. Dit ska vi. Nej, var ska vi? Dit ska vi.
Nu går det pinsen.
Jag är inte rädd. Världens största roddbåt. Och Johan och försöker dra ner mig på där till varje romfag. Och så väntar där pappret. Inte med såklart.
Here I'm sitting in the morning, 9 o'clock. Johan has been up since 6 in the morning. I've been sleeping. Now I don't know where he is. Out on a mission, I guess. So I sit here, sorting things, drinking coffee.
Time for a demonstration. The washing machine. And first things first, where are the washing powder?
No washing
Detergent.
powder, it's liquor.
It's a liquid.
Liquid. Liquor.
From
Amway, USA.
That's the way how to do it. Not.
Yes, it is. Not the easiest way to open.
Wait a minute. First the laundry. And I have rigged up the machine in the kitchen. It says it's just, we can lean 2 degrees in the manual, but we are on the sailboat, so I don't give a care. Some dirty laundry. like that. And you can put the hose there, but I don't have a hose, so you have to do it a bit manually. And some hot water. And you should put up water to the mark, but I don't find any mark. Not on the back side, not on the front. There is no mark. So should I fill it up there or there? No.
Let me check.
Where is the mark?
I don't know, but Max. There.
Oh, smart to put it on the back side.
Yes.
Turn it around.
If you see here, you see Max there.
Okay.
So maybe there's why it's on the back side.
Put in the water.
Let's wash. More water, I guess. Maybe some liquid powder.
Liquid powder, yes.
Liquid powder. Liquid powder.
And when we don't use the washer, we can have some goldfish in there.
So
But now I think it's too heavy for that bench. I think we have to put it on the floor. I have put a bench here over the stove for more working area, but I don't think it's strong enough for 20-30 kilos. So I put it on the outside, and now we're going to start it. It's not moving very much. I think we have to have more water in. I have some more water in, and now it's splashing around. 15 minutes of that. And at the meantime, some bulle and kaffe.
Swedish fika.
Swedish fika. It's been 15 minutes. So you can drain it out. I think it just to do like that. Whee! Probably stop in the drain there. And here is a wet dog who has been swimming today. Should we put you in the washer? Some rinsing water. So now it's been rinsing out. Now we can drain out the water and see if it's... So at the meantime, that's draining out. I haven't got around to check the autopilot. So I did that yesterday and discovered that this o-ring was no good on the cover here, so this was wet and some kind of rust. Now I've been cleaning it with acetone and I got to get a new toothbrush. So now I'm going to put it together again and see if it works. And dog hair everywhere. And there.
Can I help you?
I got it. I ain't got it. Two big hands. Let's see if I remember. That one should go. I thought that should be easy. Can't be done. So now we're gonna try the spinning. I don't want to, the big towel I did hang up there, but it's not big. One t-shirt, underwear, a couple of socks. Let we try. Can try. Hey. Stop. I think these have to be in here somewhere. So, like that. Not very fast. See if it, with time, it gets a bit drier. If Sanna's with her genius mind, small finger.
I think it's right.
You think it's right? It
Yes.
has to be right.
Yes.
Now, I don't know if I should glue this together. Don't think that's gonna be. And this nut has a special tool I don't have. So perhaps I should, with a saw blade, make a
Mark.
or can like a electric tape over there for now. But we're gonna see if it works first. There was this plug I took off when it did come out water there, so perhaps it's good it's not there, so the water can drain out immediately. Ready for Sanna to try it on. And now back to the washing machine, the centrifuge. And I don't have big hopes for this, but now we have tried it. It's some water in there. This is why it shouldn't be leaning. And it's always difficult to be a YouTuber. You have to do everything with one hand. And this is... No. This spinning device was no good, but the washing machine was to a degree of satisfaction. We just hang this out to dry. In this weather, it's gonna dry in a couple of weeks. So, successful try. I had it on my lorry, so the boxes wouldn't be wet when they standing on the floor. And now we have a problem in our sleeping quarters. First Sanna washing them.
Clean and nice.
Because we have a leakage everywhere from above. The mattress is quite moist. We have to take it up every day. Because it's leaking from every deck fittings there. And it's streaming on the backside. But now we decided to put these up here. So now we have a distance for 5 centimeters, 2 inch. So if it's leaking when we are ready, it's pouring beside and near down to the bilts. So now we're nearly finished on this side, and I don't think it's so bad on this side, but I'm gonna take out that board because it's sucking up moist that was just temporary for the previous owner. That's what I'm doing, and a fan for drying up. I'm gonna finish here and I'm gonna show you the other side when I'm finished here. See if it's working. Well, it's
A big dog in a small
big
place.
tight. Now I'm starting with the other side, and this was on the wall, and you can see over there it's been sucking up water. This is not the material to have in a boat, old boat that's leaking. So this is how it looks, and yet again that fitting, the plate is leaking, so it's a bit wet here. So I'm gonna clean this up, and we just put a layer of this flooring here so it can dry out. And if it's it should be quite sunny tonight, so I think it's gonna dry up so I can reseal the deck. And I'm lucky we have our vacuum cleaner with a water filter, so it's doesn't matter if you're sucking a bit of water, moist. And it's a long hose, so it's all the way in here. Now I'm gonna clean up, sucking up the water and the dirt. So now Sanna has been buying food for the whole winter. Some candy
Snacks.
and lots of canned food. But we have
They are still in the car.
2-3 trips to the car more, and find some space to put it.
We find
It's
space.
emergency food. Sanna and me, we have each a cupboard in the saloon. Sanna's filling up her with pearls and stuff, and I'm gonna fill it up with cheese doodles.
Right, too.
Order, order, order.
I think you want to eat when we are away, so be happy that I'm
McDonald's, Pizza Hut,
No,
kebab.
no.
So when the sun is up, it's a bit more fun to work when it's drying up. But we have bought a lot of groceries, and we start looking for places to hide canned food and such, because that's more if we don't get ashore to get food, we have to have some canned food. And I opened Sanna's bed, look if it was a storage under there, and that's okay. There you can put lots of stuff. But this was screwed into the lids, so it was terrible to work with. But now I have screwed it down, and the lid comes over here, and I'm gonna trim off this. I don't need this. Something like that. And I think I'm gonna go and buy some plywood someday, because here we can have a bottom and we can put cans or something all the way there. But this is the drawer on this side. So bottom with the side in plywood, and here I want to put the plywood so we can stuff up. Perhaps we should have our beer collection here, some soft material, and stack cans of beer maybe. So now there is good ventilation behind there, and if you remember, I put in this cotton mat, it's called, for house grounds, so there can be some circulation. And I put this under the mattress so it can circulate some air under. And hopefully it's making some positive. Now it's just to put in the mattress and make the bed. Sannas can go to bed again, but the mattress is out on deck for some ventilation. So now when the beds are in order, I thought to install fans, and that's for if it's hot in the bed, but also circulation around the mattress, all for the prevent mole. I can put it like that, or if I want to blowing on me, but I'm gonna put two of this here. I hope this works. Yay! Nice. And the cable is not going to shore power, so I have to install some USB charger things here and find the power somewhere for charging my phone at the night and for the fan. And now for Sanna's side.
I had the most amazing day. I'll remember it.
Cheers.
Always
Time to go to bed.
you got the most
Almost.
amazing way.
And don't forget to subscribe.
I like it when you said to me that we were really meant to be. You didn't put your